Today we're talking about recycling plastic bags and film. Now the bottom line is these items are not recyclable in your curbside bins. Now when I say plastic bags and film, I mean things like the bags you get your dry cleaning in, Ziploc bags, bread bags, produce bags. There's more types of plastic bags and film, and you can go to plasticfilmrecycling.org for more info about that. When you throw your plastic bags and film into your curbside recycling bins, they get to the sorting facility and they can get caught in the equipment. Then everything needs to be shut down and someone needs to climb up there and pull them out. So it takes a lot of time and it costs a lot of money. So if you're going to dispose of your plastic bags and film at home, they go in the garbage. But before you throw them out, think about all the ways that you can reuse plastic bags. They could be used to pick up dog waste. They could be used as trash can liners, or even to store something else. So reuse is always the best option. So if you can find a way to reuse your plastic bags, that's the best. The good news is there are some recycling options if you're willing to drop off your plastic bags and film. Many grocery stores accept these items, and you can use our What to Recycle Where tool to find the location nearest you. Remember though, the plastic bags and film needs to be clean and dry when you drop them off. If your business produces a lot of plastic film waste, get in touch with us because there are some options for you too.